ProGMA members are the industry's leading suppliers of fixed protective guarding products, designed to keep personnel, equipment, and inventory safe in industrial environments.
We've been a longtime member of ProGMA. I think probably the best way to look at it is ProGMA brings together some of the best manufacturers in the space for safety guarding, and we get our heads together and come up with better ways to add more value for our customers.
ProGMA is your trusted resource for safety and guarding needs, providing educational materials, standards, and best practices in the industry.
What sets us apart is because protective guarding covers such a wide range of scenarios and products, and this is a great centralized place to find all these type of products and to find the solutions and the companies that are making those solutions makes it a great resource.
If you're seeking solutions to make your facility safer, looking to keep up with the latest safety standards and best practices, or if you're a leading guarding equipment manufacturer, this collaborative association is for you.
Participating in the creation of a standard allows you to make sure that all industry providers, all manufacturers use the same standards, use the same rules, use the same terminology towards their customers.
We had a product that we've been making for years, and we had a customer come to us that needed the product to have a secondary function, a secondary safety feature to it. And we partnered with ProGMA, and we integrated their technology into our product to make for a much safer design. I wouldn't have been able to do that without the networking and knowing who to work with and the companies to work with that I met in the ProGMA.
And to hear more about our members and solutions, check out the ProGMA member infographic. Visit mhi.org/ProGMA for more information about joining.